Hey everybody, on this video I'm going to do some rekeying here. We got some US lock restricted cylinders here. These are their lowest level of restriction here. It's just an affordable way to keep employees or whatever from being able to go to like Home Depot or Walmart or something and getting keys copied. So we're just going to pin these up. And these are usually keyed different out of the package. And it's true in this case as well. So now, I don't have the customer's key. These are going to go on some padlocks that be delivered tomorrow. So I'm going to meet him tomorrow and test them out and everything. Yeah, I don't have his key, but I have the bitting on it to be able to rekey it. And this is a US lock. It's the restricted keyway pinning kit, which you don't need. Yeah, the .003 kits work well for these, but I have a couple of these pinning kits for whatever reason. So I'm just going to pin these up and then hope I did it right. So tomorrow when I see the customer, they'll hope they'll just put a key in and the locks will spin. I'll throw them in the padlocks and be good to go. Also got him do some toolbox keys for him too, he was telling me. So be tomorrow evening after he gets off, so it'll be tomorrow around like 7-8 o'clock at night. You know, for some customers, I work when they're available, no matter what I'm doing. And of course, I'm almost always available for emergency calls, but there's some customers of mine that have spend a lot of money or whatever, and I try to work around their schedule if they need me to. And just pin up this guy here. Pin it coming back up here. That's interesting. There we go. Alright, so this should be good here. Just throw them in the box here, and then like I said, tomorrow when I see him here, I'll have the padlocks and be able to get them all. Just put the drivers on and put them in the padlocks, and should be good to go. Just any questions, comments, or anything at all, you can leave them in the comments here, and I'll try to answer everything. So anyway, that'll do it for now. We'll talk to everybody later.